this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a quick video to share with you the final walkthrough of this mini album. So this is the 9x6 album that I created a multiple series of tutorials. So I'm gonna link them all below. So we have the tutorial for how to make the base. We have the tutorial on creating mini album inserts. And then I also did 3 additional interactive elements tutorial as well. And then I think I did a video decorating the book, so everything will be linked below. Those are all free videos for you, but today I wanted to just do the final walkthrough. And also I am going to be listing this book for sale, so you'll find it on the description box. It will be on my website. So let's take a look. So like I said, the book measures 9x6. It has a 2.5-inch spine and 4 signature pages. I have some beautiful flowers here on the cover and just a place for a picture that I backed on chipboard, so it has a little bit more volume. And then this is the back. So let's take a look. So this section here was actually a bonus tutorial for members only. So if you're a member of my channel, you always have access to a free bonus tutorial and to a technique tutorial every month, depending on your level of membership. So you're welcome to join the channel to get access to extra videos. And also we do a live crafting video event every month. So over here we have a peekaboo page. So basically you will put a picture here on this layout, and then it will be showcased here on this little window. But also if you pull this all the way up, and it's actually on a sliding tab so it won't come out of the page, you can actually do another picture on the back, and then you have a secret review, which I thought was really fun. So over here on this page we have one of the interactive elements. So this opens up like that and like this, and then this opens down and up. I guess I forgot to add paper here, so I'll come back and do that. So I will have this finished. If anybody is interested on purchasing this, I will be finishing that page. I think that's the only one I forgot. Then here on the next page we have this really fun, it's kind of like a booklet with all kinds of belly bands. So this opens up like this, so place for pictures here. And then over here we have a little pocket. Okay, and then I did this little card here, so you can use it as a journal or add pictures there. Then over here we have another belly band, and then a photo mat here. And then on the backpack, so let me just show you. So we have a pocket here, we have a belly band here, which is where this was, and then we have a belly band on the backpack. And here we have a 4x6 photo booklet, and then this whole thing opens like that, as you see. So we have the different layers here of pockets. So we put this one back there, it goes all the way through. This one goes through the center belly band, and then this little one I just put right here. Then over on this page, these are left open so you can add your picture and kind of just have it layer like that. And then this opens up, and this whole thing actually comes out. This is another booklet, so place for picture here, but this is also a belly band. And then this opens up like that, and this is a trifold, so place for pictures. I did leave this blank to not add a lot more bulk, so you can still slide here on your belly band, so that goes right there. And then on this next page we have an upside down pocket, so place for a picture. And then it's actually not a pocket, but I'll show you. So this comes out from the bottom, and then again you can add a picture here. And then this is another booklet for 4x6 pictures. And then this opens up, and here we have again a double belly band, so belly band here, belly band back here. And I'm using these belly bands as the locking for this booklet. So you just pass your page through, and then you close the top and then just push this up and it locks everything in place. But let me show you the other features this has. So this opens up and it opens down, and then on this belly band I have another little photo mat that just kind of sits there, and then this opens down again, so place for a picture here with the beautiful page design. And now we're just gonna close it. And so you can pass it through both belly bands to close it, or just to the first one, it's okay. And I just like kind of pushing this all nice and neat. And then over here we have this floating waterfall, so it opens up like that, so place for journal or picture, same thing here. And then back here I just added a little corner tag, so you can put a large picture on this whole area, and place for a little journal. Then on this page, this opens up. This is a little booklet. Look how pretty the paper is. Opens up and down, and then this opens side to side, and another belly band. So belly band was the theme, I guess, for the design of this book. And then so just some photo areas, those go in there, and then whoops, these two close and close, and that is that whole page. And then back here we have a large area for a picture, but this is also a sliding pull down waterfall, so it opens down, place for pictures, and then this whole thing just pulls down, and then you have a lot of room for pictures in there, so you can put 5x7s actually on that section. And then back here, this is the upside down pocket, so you can journal in there or add a picture. And then this booklet comes out, and then picture place and place for pictures here. And I just left these open so you can tag this in the upside down pocket, and then this will kind of just secure that right there. So that is going to be the mini album. I'm going to call this the Celebrate mini album. And again, it will be listed for sale. And don't forget that I have all kinds of tutorials so you can make this quick and easy project as well. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.